Bakit tuwing kinsenas, lagi na lang may kaltas yung sweldo natin and napupunta to sa withholding tax?
Hindi ka ba nanghihinayang na yung pinaghirapan mong pera, nabawasan na bago pa umabot sa bank account mo? Welcome to Legal Guide Philippines, where we simplify the law to help you make better choices. I'm Attorney Erwin Zagala and I'm with my partner.
Attorney Ramon Ramirez. Okay, so today meron tayong letter from one of our listeners, si Andrew. Sabi niya, Andrew, Dear attorneys, good day po. I just got my first job as a software engineer. Wow, congrats. With a basic salary of 30,000 a month. But when I checked my first payslip, nakita ko naman yung mga SSS, PhilHealth at Pag-ibig ko. But I noticed, nabawasan pa siya ng dahil sa withholding tax. Bakit may tax na? Hindi ba sa end of the year pa dapat to? Isn't income tax supposed to be paid during tax season in April? Is my employer legally allowed to deduct this automatically? Yan. This is from Andrew.
Andrew, may message ako. Welcome to the adult world.
Yeah, adulting na, no?
Yan.
Adulting na tayo. Yeah. So, ayan. So, what we're going to talk about today is what we call yung withholding tax, no? And why does it look like a reduction, no? So, guys, withholding tax is not really an extra or a hidden tax, no? It's simplified. Ang withholding tax is still your income tax. Kaya lang, it's being withheld by yung employer, okay, and paid to the government in advance.
In Tagalog, inipit.
Inipit at niremit. Pero installment.
Yes.
Okay, installment. Hindi buong-buo ibinabayad. Every time na sumisweldo tayo, kumukuha ng konti yung yung employer natin at inire-remit na sa BIR para wala na kayong isipin at the end of the year. No, so yun ang nangyayari doon. In fact, if you are an employee and you qualify, ang tawag dyan, substituted filing. Yung substituted filing na yan, ibig sabihin yung lahat ng winidhold ng iyong employer o ng iyong boss, niremit na yan sa gobyerno at at the end of the year may binibigay sa iyong dokumento which will serve as your income tax return.
Sa Tagalog, may nag-file para sa'yo.
Yes, okay. So yeah, that's what you call substituted filing. So, yung concept nito is parang ang system nito is yung parang pay as you earn, no? As you earn, you also pay your income tax. So instead of waiting for April 15 to come around for the next year, no, na babayaran niyo yung tax niyo buong buo, no? Nai-advance na, no? Naibawas na at naibayad na natin dun sa gobyerno. Okay? So what happens here is your employer or yung HR nyo or kung sino man hinire ng HR nyo para mag-calculate, they calculate a portion of your projected annual income tax. Tapos they chop it into pieces based on your payroll periods. Okay? And then they withhold it. Okay? Hindi na nila binibigay sa'yo. Hawak na nila yon and directly nire-remit na nila to the BIR on your behalf.
And therefore, inipit.
Inipit. So wala na kayong dapat isipin, no? So and that is the concept of yung withholding tax. Kaya tayo may tax, no? So lahat naman ng nag-earn in general is subject to withholding tax.
Attorney Ramon, ano naman yung logic? Bakit ganun yung diskarte?
Yes. So ang concept ng whole withholding tax is for cash flow of the government, no? Kasi kung hihintayin natin lahat ng income taxpayer nasa April 15 magbabayad, paano naman yung mga paggastusin nila during the year?
Matutuyo.
No? Or baka magastos na lang bigla or whatever. So at least every month may pumapasok sa gobyerno. Okay? So ina-advance lang, no? At the end of the year, dapat kung ano yung income tax is settled na or nabayaran na because during the year nagbabayad kayo ng withholding tax nyo. Ang tawag dyan, withholding tax on compensation. Okay? So yun yung konsepto nun, no? So number one, cash flow ng gobyerno. Pangalawa, syempre ayaw din naman ng government na at the end of the year magbabayad pa kayo ng napakalaking income tax, 'di ba? Kasi naipon 'yun. Ang income tax payable is actually usually for the whole year, no? So, at least na-i-advance nyo na and nabayaran na sa gobyerno.
Safe na yung government.
Safe na yung government.
Safe na safe.
Safe ka na rin.
Yan.
Di ba? Safe ka na rin. Wala ka nang kailangang i-compute pa. Okay? So, yun. So, guys, no, don't consider itong withholding tax as some sort of secret tax or hidden tax or whatever. It's really just the application of our income tax law. Okay? And pinadali na yung buhay nyo para hindi nyo na kailangang isipin at the end of the year or come April 15. Okay? So, paano naman natin malalaman kung tama yung dinideduct?
It's a good point.
O, di ba? So, guys, no, ang income tax natin for individuals, no, ibig sabihin yung tayong mga empleyado, well, hindi tayo, no? But for yung mga empleyado, no, ang income tax for individuals, meron tayong tinatawag na graduated income tax, no? So, ibig sabihin, if ang annual salary nyo is 250,000 and below, actually, exempt kayo from income tax.
Jackpot.
Jackpot!
Ah.
Exempt. Kasi siguro naman, re-recognize ng government, 250,000 na nga lang annually. Sisingilin pa ba natin ng income tax?
Oo.
Wag muna, no? So, pag ang sweldo nyo annually is 250,000 to 400,000 a year, ang tax nyo is 15% of the excess over 250,000.
Singit ako, Attorney Ramon.
Oh.
Kinumpute ko yung kunwari 250,000 and below na threshold. More or less, if you divide that by 12, lumalabas na sa 20,880 20,833 per month.
Per month.
So para lang for your reference, yun yung parang threshold na walang withholding.
So kung ang quincenas nyo is around less than 10,000, malamang exempt kayo from income tax. Okay? But please check with your HR, no? And check your own tignan nyo yung I invite you to look at sa Google or whatever, look at your graduated income tax table. Okay? So that's 250,000 to 400,000. Umaakyat yan hanggang above 8 million, no? Nagiging 2.2 million and 35% of the excess over 8 million, no? So graduated siya. Pataas ng pataas yung sweldo nyo, pataas din ang tax nyo, ang income tax, no? So madali lang i-Google yan, guys, no? And we can pwede nating i-discuss yan or i-pascale yung income tax table, no, for you guys, no? So that's basically it, no? You can check your annual salary, no, and check ano ba yung saan ba ako papasok doon sa sa graduated table, di ba? And more or less malalaman niyo kung ano yung every month na tatanggalin sa inyo. Okay? Actually, yung graduated income tax table, meron ding tinatawag na tax table for withholding tax, no? So, para lang na mapadali, no? And that's issued by the BIR and you can check that as well. Okay? So, again, kung 250,000 and below, your withholding tax should be 0. Okay? Ngayon, at the end of the year, like I said earlier, your employee or kung nag-resign kayo, no? Usually at the end of the year or pag nag-resign kayo, yung employer nyo will always give you what you call yung BIR form 2316. Okay? This is the certificate of compensation payment or yung tax withheld.
Yan ang maririnig mo sa HR, ma'am. Pa-request po ng 2316.
2316. So, yan, usually sa mga nagtatrabaho na matagal, yan yung pinipirmahan nyo end of the year, no? 2316, BIR form 2316. Important din na siguro, hindi naman required, but maganda rin na practice na ikumpara nyo kung ano yung nilalagay ng employer nyo dun sa 2316 at kung ano yung winidhold sa inyo for the year. So, itago nyo yung mga payslip nyo, importante din yan. Okay? So, ayan, no? Usually, ang laman ng payslip nyo will be yung, hanapin nyo dyan, no? Tatanggalin na nila yung mga non-taxable. Like, kung wari, non-taxable items, let's say, yung mga de minimis benefits and whatnot, no? Non-taxable yan. Ang tignan nyo kung ano yung taxable nyo na salary. Okay? And then, tignan nyo kung ano yung taxable nyo na salary, yun yung ikukumpara nyo dun sa withholding tax table.
Yes.
Okay? Madali lang i-Google yan, guys, no? But just to give you an idea and try to compute for yourselves kung ano yung withholding tax nyo. Okay? So, as a recap, ang withholding tax, guys, on your compensation, this is just your regular income tax. Lahat ng taong sumisweldo, kailangan magbayad ng income tax. Sorry, yun ang batas natin. No, but if you're making 250,000 and below, exempt kayo sa income tax. No? Be careful with that. Now, employers, guys, they are actually legally required by the government, by the BIR, to deduct and remit this tax to the government every month. Okay? So, required sila na i-withhold yan. No? Hindi yan optional on their part. Okay? Please remember to always look at your BIR Form 2316 at the end of the year, or pag nag-resign kayo, hingin nyo yung 2316 nyo from your old employer, kasi kailangan yung ibigay yung 2316 sa bago.
Yes.
Kasi at the end of the year, sila rin i-compute nila. Yung bago nyo, they i-compute nila kung ano na yung winidode sa inyo and ano yung winidode sa inyo dati, di ba? And then para malaman nyo kung ano pa yung income tax payable. Okay? So I hope Andrew, naliwanagan ka sa mga questions na binigay mo today.
Yes, and for most of you, understanding how withholding tax works is enough to help you read your pay slip with peace of mind. But as your career progresses, your salary grows, and you start earning from other sources, you're going to hit a trickier tax bracket and more complex BIR rule matrix.
Yeah. Now, if that's you, guys, we have a library of information, breakdowns, legal tips. They're waiting for you at our main YouTube channel, Legal Guide Philippines. So please head over there. Please like and subscribe and check out our various videos on how your income tax works, how VAT works, what to do with your side hustle, and even how to gain confidence to handle any BIR concerns. Okay? Syempre, ayaw natin na mag-panic kayo. Yan, so please head over to our channel and make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss a video.
But if what you need right now is help with a specific BIR notice or tax assessment, please do not hesitate to consult a trusted advisor. Go to a tax lawyer or an accounting professional who knows their stuff.
Yep.
But if what you want is specific advice from Attorney Ramon, myself, and our team, please feel free to check out the description. The way to contact us is there. You have to go to www.legalaccess.ph. We'll be happy to assist.
Yan. Okay, so one last thing, guys. Seeing a smaller paycheck hurts, no? But withholding tax is just your income tax being paid in advance, so you don't face a very big bill later on in April. No? So your employer is simply managing it automatically, so you don't have to. Master the math of your payslip today to protect your financial health and focus on growing your career. So wasn't that simple? Now go make better choices.